24 species in genus Carex. August 6th. Carex, the ornamental sedge, represents August 6th. Carex symbolizes resilience and elegance. You adapt gracefully to change, maintaining composure through challenges. Like its flowing form, your strength lies in your flexibility. A world of sedges, my exploration of the Carex genus. I've always been drawn to the subtle beauty of grasses and their kin. The way they sway in the breeze, the textures they bring to a landscape, the quiet rustle of their leaves. These are things I find endlessly fascinating. And among these grass-like wonders, the genus Carex, the sedges, belong to the Cyperaceae family, holds a special place in my heart. Carex is a vast and diverse genus, with over 2,000 species spread across the globe. They thrive in a wide range of habitats, from wetlands and forests to meadows and mountaintops. This incredible diversity is part of what makes them so captivating. Every time I encounter a sedge, I'm presented with a new puzzle to solve, a new story to uncover. Identifying the unidentified. At first glance, sedges can be easily mistaken for grasses or rushes. But with a little practice, their unique characteristics become clear. One of the key features that distinguishes them is their triangular stems. If you roll a sedge stem between your fingers, you'll feel the distinct three sides, unlike the round stems of grasses. Another helpful clue is the arrangement of their leaves, which are typically arranged in 3 ranks, spiraling around the stem. Of course, identifying sedges to the species level can be quite challenging. There are minute differences in the structure of their flowers, fruits, and leaves that require careful observation and often the use of a magnifying glass or even a microscope. But this challenge is part of the appeal. It's like being a detective, piecing together clues to unravel the identity of these understated plants. Carex species. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of sedges. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, sedges play a vital role in their ecosystems. They provide food and shelter for a variety of wildlife, including insects, birds, and small mammals. Their extensive root systems help to stabilize soil and prevent erosion, especially in wetland areas. Some sedges are even used for medicinal purposes or for weaving mats and baskets. As our climate changes and habitats are threatened, the importance of sedges becomes even more apparent. Their adaptability and resilience make them valuable allies in the face of environmental challenges. Continuing the exploration. My journey with sedges is far from over. I'm eager to continue exploring this diverse genus, learning more about their identification, ecology, and uses. I believe that by appreciating and understanding these often overlooked plants, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and our place within it. The world of Carex is vast and full of surprises. It's a world I invite you to explore with me.